water tank that once it fills up, you will then clean it out. This is your essentially kind of like your emission control area, where it'll tell you the strength of the current load you're using, as well as what your battery charge percentage is. Your charging station is essentially, it fits right in, and then it has a really cool self-cleaning functionality that I'll show you. Now we go back over here, I've actually kind of created a little bit of dirt to show you the vacuum side of it, and then I've a little bit of soda for the mop side, which is why it's called a wet dry. This is just a dog treat that I kind of mashed up. I'm going to turn it on and show you first this little mission control area, and then I'm going to clean up that mess. Also, this is the power button. This is if you want to go to max power or let it choose it yourself. And then this is whenever you're ready for self-cleaning, you just click on it. So here we go. As you can see, it just cleaned all that up with no issue, no streaks, no remaining dirt. Now, what's kind of cool is, let's say you have a lot of dog hair or just mud or things that can, linger inside of the mechanics of it. Well, whenever you put it back on the charging station,
charging has commenced.
And then, like I said, the charging has commenced, but then you can just press this.
Start self-cleaning.
And it'll actually go through a self-cleaning cycle, which will take the cleaning solution and then it'll do it through an entire cycle.
Self-cleaning cycle stop. Please clean dirty water tank.
And there's that reminder. The only, I guess we can say, negative I've experienced with this is that the dirty water
Self-cleaning
tank.
cycle stop. Please clean dirty water tank.
Dirty water tank, if you accidentally forget to clean it, and let's say you don't do another mopping session in 3 or 4 days, when you come back, it will have an extreme odor. And so that's why it's highly recommended to constant, when it tells you or if there's any kind of dirty water, just pour it out. Outside of that, I've had nothing but positive experiences with this. All right, guys.
Auto detected. Deep cleaning. Self-cleaning cycle complete. Please clean dirty water tank. Auto load. Max load.
señora? It's a wet vac, so it does both. It vacuums and mops at the same time. And when we were looking for products for the house, I refused. After a couple times of